Hello guys, welcome to new week 2 of the month of June, and this is EURUSD. So let's look into EURUSD and let's see what we have. So we can see from this zone here, I'm not using our everything. You can see from this zone that we have a low, a lower low, lower high. We broke this lower low to form a new lower low, so we are supposed to be bearish, but price failed to reject. Instead, price break above, create a higher high, and price create a higher low. Now price rejected this zone multiple times, so I guess that was where a lot of decision was made. This was the first bearish rejection. After this breakout, price came back there and created double top rejection. Testing here, price supposed to break out, but price couldn't. Price rejected again and rejected again. So this last time, price was fully ready, and we see a significant break. Now this significant break, the only place we have to attack is this zone. So this buy setups is going on to 1.22000. This is the zone I'll be looking to attack for this buy. So presently we are bullish on EURUSD, and I'm buying all the way. I'll be looking for buy setup all the way to this zone. So let's go down to weekly. Let's see if I need to rearrange my setups on weekly. And good. Okay, price on weekly, what do we have? We have this rejection, price breakout of this zone. Price used this as a weekly rejection, came back here, we should see price breakout. So we're presently here, but I'm looking for a breakout because price already did breakout to retest. Even if price retest with a week, but somehow the price can still recall itself back fine, but the price cannot recall. Then let's wait for the outcome of this week, because price is of a very delicate area and price is supposed to break out. There's no need for long talk. Price is supposed to break out here. So this was the weekly high, and this would be a weekly higher low. So all the way, this is my target. So I'll be looking for buy setups here. I'm looking for buy setups. If price comes back here, I'll still look for buy all the way here. So let's go to daily. Okay. Yeah. Price presently is still dragging. Okay, so if I want to use let me adjust my monthly a little higher so that price can tap into this guy a little. Okay, I think we're fine. And so what do we have here? Price was bearish here. Yeah, this was the last low. So last low. Okay. So the last low. Break. We tested. We failed to continue. We broke out. Retest. So this is breaking out. This is breaking out, but this area is rough, so I won't like. I would have preferred to buy from here. So I probably just keep this here, and this is the present zone on a daily. So let me here is lower high, right? This is high and low. Then price meet a high here. Then you see how another high low here. So we are presently rejecting of this zone, which is good. So with this, we are only looking for buy setups in this area, but who was responsible for the breakout? We have rally based rallies. So inside this area like this, buyers are present in this zone. So buyers are present in that zone. So after price closed above this zone, we have price rejected inside, breakouts, rejected, breakout. So inside the zone there's a lot of buy orders. Let's go down to 4 hours. Let's see. Okay, I'm clearing out every 4 hour zone, so I don't need them. Okay, so what do we have? We have rejection. We've not seen a good rejection yet. This is a strength pin bar. This is a good rejection. This is a money star candle. This is a good rejection. So we have rejection 1 and possible rejection 2. So I'll possibly be looking for buys inside this zone. I'll be looking for buys inside this zone. So I would love to see price close bullish. I want to see a bullish close, then you can start looking for buys. But presently all the candles I'm seeing are still very interesting. This is a bullish candle though. This is a strong shooting star. This is first rejection. This zone, this is rejected. Push price, but price came back, and price came back. Couldn't see a good candle only from here, but this one got taken out. The low got taken out, then price came back to form a pin bar. So I'm looking possibly for buy setup in here. Well, we still have a long way to go, so it's not going to be some quick. So let me use my use this to be like a guide. Okay, if I turn it upside down, let me see. Yeah, sometimes I like turning my chart upside down to see it from different view, which is sometimes interesting to me. Sometimes it gives me a visible entry to have one touch for yeah, 2 touch. So how we are doing here is rejection. You can see rejection, 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 rejection. This zone is just the correction, and possibly so I'll possibly use this zone like this for my rejection and just take my buys from here, and my stop loss will be from this zone here. Okay, so let's say I'll target here as my first TP. I'll target this zone for my first TP first, because that's the, if you can see, this also gives us this move. Yeah, right. 2. So we have, let's say, I'm gonna log this and use something like I'm gonna use the black guy. This something. Okay. So we have price pushing higher, came back, pushed, and break through tests. Then we are heading down to the zone. We are heading to the zone. So first step profit should be here. And here. Since this just gives us a clue. But most times, if you want to wait, you should wait for a breakout. But this pin buy alone has given an entry, and stop loss below. That's how many pips? 45 pips. But if price still comes back in, I'm still interested. So 45 to 132, not bad. Not bad at all. 132, not bad. But remember, still have a long way to go. Still have a very long way to go, but major TP is from this zone. So you can see this is a corrective. Then should drop massively in the zone, because breakout came back, rejected, breakout came back, rejected, bam bam. This is a double, and we have a pin by rejection, and here. So target should be here. So let's see. I won't take one hour. I won't go for 1 hour. Yeah. So let's say this is my first rejection. There's my here. Hold on. This should be my first 4-hour rejection. Here will be my second 4-hour rejection, and this will be my third. So I have rejection 1, and what candle am I looking at? This is the money store candle. 3 guys here. second rejection is this one here, and this third rejection is this pin bar here. Just the pin bar down. Yeah. So let me switch back up and okay. I think that's that on EU for now. It's a long ride, but all the same, you can still take a buy from that zone. And the funniest thing is on my MT5, I'm not seeing it as on my MT5, I'm not seeing it as a pin bar. That's just the issues I'm always having with this. Let me see my stock. My stochastic is presently here, which is would have been good from this area. This would have been the buy area, but possibly, let's see if price shoot up. If price shoot up, then from my MT5 is looking like we're having a morning star candle, but from my trading view, I'm seeing a shooting star candle, which is not what I'm seeing from my MT5. So it's not bad. It's not bad at all. But all the same, it's giving us the same description of what we want. So fine. So I'll just wait for my MT5 should give me a candle confirmation. Then I'll go in on the buys for EU. Okay, I think that's that for EU. That's where I'm going to stop on EU for now. If you can take this alone, it's fine. Then we'll possibly look for more entries after the break. We'll analyze and look for more entries. But presently, this zone is a buy zone, and possibly look for a bullish push to the side, and I think we'll be fine. If I go to 1 hour, because I like to enter from 1 hour, if I go down to 1 hour, what do I have? Okay, is it that I'm on 1 hour? Are you saying I'm on 1 hour? Okay, 1 hour gave me a good confirmation entry, so I'll buy from 1 hour. Let me buy from 1 hour. My stop loss should be here. Yeah, it's a good morning star confirmation on 1 hour. It's a good morning star confirmation on 1 hour, so I can buy from there. Let me see, my stop loss will be 1.13700. 1.13700. Copy. Yeah. Modify. Paste it. 1.13700. Which is here. Okay. Which is not bad. Which is not bad at all. So From the 1 hour, you can add more entries to your trade. You can add more entries, but it's fine for me on 1 hour. Let me just say I entered at this zone. Let me just say I entered at this zone. My stop is stop 0.000. So good. That's 33 pips to SC, and I like to add more entries on my 1 hour. Yeah, I like to add more entries on my 1 hour. So as my 1 hour candle closes, I'll keep adding entries till I get to my take profit is this is I'm not seeing this thing very well. Give it a little bit of chance to, where is the camera? Let me put it up to 20. Good. So this is 1.1500. 1.1500 is the psychological level here. 1.1600. 1.15500. Around 550. Around 0.15500 here, but the major TP here, the major guy here is 1. What's this? 1.157. Let me take it to 1.157. Coordinates 700. Yeah, let me just stick to 700. So my TP now will change to 1.15700. 1.15700, which is not bad. So in this trade, I'm just going to be adding more as I see bullish candle. A small bullish candle that I see, I'm just going to be adding more to it. That's just what I'm going to do. Around here. Then run through this one better and rejected. This is a strong rejection. This is a strong rejection and it's a good one. Remember the risk 5.7. So that's 1.42 to 33%. So that's one ratio worth. Quickly do the division. Calculate 1.42 divided by 33. That's 142 divided by 33. That's 1 to 4. That's 1 to 4, which is not bad. 1 to 4. Even if you've gotten in late, not bad. And 1 hour has shown us what we wanted. This is we are at overbought area and price is correctly price can be going up on overbought, so it's fine. It's fine. So this is just 10.18, which is not bad. Let's see how this goes to the end of today, wherever today ends. Today's Tuesday, so wherever it ends, stop from there and we'll continue. Bye guys.